I am the angriest person on camera. Look at me pour a beer. I am about to make some crab cakes with a whole bunch of ingredients, including crab, snow crab, and panko. Bunch of sauces, salt and pepper, garlic powder. You put the crab and you wash it. After you wash it, you take it apart. This took longer than I expected to yield barely anything. Some cilantro, some mayonnaise I made the other day, some Dijon, still pouring that beer, about to drink it, delicious, delicious. Oh yeah. Here's my dog Marley. I love her very much. Hi Marley. Hi Marley. Cut up the cilantro and the lemon. Mix it all in there. Drink some more beer. Some of that garlic powder and salt. Pepper, of course. And oh yeah, we're cracking that egg in there too. That Dijon goes in, Worcestershire sauce goes in with some panko and Tabasco, as you saw, and also some mayo. Mix that all up really, really fast. As fast as you can. Just making a little sauce on the side. Gotta dip it in something, you know. And hello again. We're gonna take this to the frying pan with some avocado oil. And it's my first time making these. They came out okay. Not gonna lie, they weren't the best, but I tried. And this is not gonna be the best recipe on YouTube, and I slightly burned these. But hey, they were edible. And doesn't look so bad when you put some green schmutz on it. Sit down, enjoy, watch some Star Trek preferably, and of course, feed a little bit to your precious dog. God bless.